how to allow mentions only from people I follow on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to allow mentions only from people I follow on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and now click this one here and then click the storylines in the top corner, and here you will find settings and then click privacy, and now click mentions, and as you see here you will find it, people you follow. Just select it and then go back, it will be saved. And as you see, that's how to allow it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.